Nobody likes writing cover letter. You find 10 different jobs, but then you have to write 10 different letter. It's exhausting, right? But what if your job board did it for you? Today, we are upgrading our smart job search engine by adding a fully automated AI powered cover letter generator that writes the perfect pitch in seconds. So let's build it. Welcome back to Procoda09. In our last video, we built the core of this AI job matcher. You upload your resume, it passes your skills and find your job. But during testing, I realized two massive problems. First, applying is still too slow. And second, your job data API was giving us outdated result, bad location filtering. So we're gonna fix it today. We are building this in 2026, which means this has to be an AI powered. Here is the roadmap for today. We are building an AI cover letter generator with multiple writing modes. We are replacing our old job data with a real time job API. And we are implementing smart location based matching logic. So, without wasting time, let's get started. We are jumping right into Lovable workshop. To tackle the cover letter feature first, I am going to paste a detailed prompt here. I am especially instructing the AI to add a generate cover letter button to every single job card. But here is the most important part of the prompt, the core idea. The generated letter must be personalized. So I am telling Lovable to feed the AI three specific pieces of context: the user pass resume data, the selected job description, and the company name. If we don't do this, we just get generic robotic template. Then I will hit run and Lovable will start building. In the background, it's writing an edge for the function of the AI generation, building the model UI and wiring it up to our job cards. Now, during my first test, I noticed the button actually did not render on the screen. This happens in AI development. No problem. I just jump back to the chat and tell Lovable I don't see any buttons named cover letter on the job listed. Please fix it. It processed the fix, update the UI component, and now we are ready for the real test. For that, let's upload my sample front-end resume. The system parses the PDF, extract my React and TypeScript skills, and boom, right there next to the apply button, we now have our cover letter button. So now let's check it. This is the model UI Lovable built for us. We have three distinct writing tones: professional, friendly, and formal. I will stick with professional and hit generate. Now just look at this. In seconds, it crafted a highly personalized pitch. It specifically mentioned my 11 year of experience and connect my exact tech stack to the employer's requirement. It does not look AI generated. It look tailored. If the company is a modern startup, I can just click friendly and regenerate it. And the entire tone shift to be conversational. It works perfectly. So the cover letter are flawless, but now we have to fix problem number two, and that is the job data itself. Our old API was returning outdated listing, and the location targeting for India was not just accurate enough. A job board is useless without good jobs, so we are completely replacing it with the Adzona API. I am pasting a new prompt instruction Lovable to rip out the old API and integrate Adzona specifically, optimizing for Indian remote jobs and strict resume parsing. Now, because Adzona is a secured third-party API, we need authentication. Lovable pauses and asks for our app ID and API key. So there is a pro tip you have to keep in mind. You always want to add these as a environment secrets, just like I'm doing here. So they are securely stored on the backend and not exposed to the public in front-end code. Now the backend is wired up. Let's do the final end-to-end test. I will upload the resume one more time. It analyze my skills and look at this completely upgraded feed. We are now getting highly relevant jobs from the massive company like Oracle, Entity Data, and People. Checking the timestamps, these are fresh posted 1 day ago. We have exact location like Hyderabad and Bangalore, and now our algorithm is still calculating a 90% excellent match based on my exact skill sets. And just to prove everything works together, I will click the cover letter button on this newly fetched Oracle job. It pulls the new API data, writes the letter, and it's ready to be copied and submitted. We now have a truly powerful automated job search engine. The code is now working flawlessly, so the only thing left is to deploy it on the internet. Up in the top right of Lovable, I will click Publish. I am setting the website access to public so anyone can use it. Then I will quickly update our website info, giving a title like job match and a quick description so it looks professional when shared. I will hit publish. Just wait a little bit and our app is live. I will also copy the link and paste it in description so that you can check it out as well. Now let's open it in on a incognito window just to make sure that there is no cache file. And look at this, it works perfectly in a production environment. I will upload the resume one last time on the live site and it runs beautiful. All the link to the live app, the tools used, and my website are down in the description. Now it's your turn. I highly recommend you to go to Lovable, build your own version of this app, or create something completely new and publish it. Once it's live, I want you to drop your links, your feedback in the comment below. I am going to personally check what you built and share your feedback with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Procoder09, and you definitely don't want to miss the next video because we are going to dive into the analytics to see exactly how many real users visited our published site and actually use this AI tool. Keep coding, build something awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Happy coding.